Italian cuisine, 10 must-try dishes you can't miss. Hello and welcome to Smart English Start. This is your go-to channel for learning English while exploring the world. In this special series, we're traveling across the globe to discover must-try foods from different countries. Today, we're heading to Italy, a country famous for its pasta, pizza, and rich culinary traditions. Let's explore some of the most iconic and delicious Italian dishes that you absolutely need to try. Theme 1, the essence of Italian cuisine. Italian cuisine is all about simple, high-quality ingredients, traditional cooking techniques, and bold flavors. Olive oil, tomatoes, basil, Parmesan cheese, and garlic are commonly used to create some of the world's most beloved dishes. A significant part of Italian food culture is regional diversity. Each region has its own unique specialties, from creamy risottos in the north to fresh seafood dishes in the south. Italian meals are also meant to be enjoyed slowly, with good company and great wine. Now let's explore the must-try dishes when visiting Italy. Theme 2, famous Italian dishes and where to eat them. Pasta Carbonara, a Roman classic made with eggs, cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. The best carbonara can be found in Rome, especially in traditional trattorias like Roscioli. Margherita Pizza, the most famous pizza, featuring a thin crust topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella, and basil. For the best experience, head to Naples, where pizza was born. Lasagna, layers of pasta, rich meat sauce, béchamel, and cheese baked to perfection. Bologna is the best place to try authentic lasagna. Risotto alla Milanese, a creamy saffron-infused rice dish from Milan, often served with ossobuco. Focaccia, a deliciously soft olive oil-rich flatbread, perfect for snacking or pairing with meals. The best focaccia can be found in Genoa and Liguria. Tiramisu, a coffee-flavored dessert made with layers of mascarpone cheese and ladyfingers. The best tiramisu can be found in Venice, where the dish originated. Gnocchi, soft, pillowy potato dumplings served with various sauces, particularly popular in Florence and Verona. Arancini, crispy, deep-fried rice balls filled with ragù, cheese, or peas. Sicily is the best place to enjoy these delicious snacks. Bistecca alla Fiorentina, a massive, perfectly grilled T-bone steak, a must-try in Florence. Panna Cotta, a silky, creamy dessert often topped with caramel or berry sauce. It's widely enjoyed throughout Italy, but particularly popular in Piedmont. Each of these dishes represents a different aspect of Italy's diverse food culture, from rustic countryside meals to sophisticated urban dining. Theme 3, travel tips for food lovers. Visit local markets like Mercato di San Lorenzo in Florence or Mercato Centrale in Rome to sample fresh ingredients. Italian meals are meant to be enjoyed slowly, so don't rush, savor every bite. Always order house wine at traditional trattorias. It's affordable and pairs perfectly with Italian cuisine. Look for family-run restaurants for the most authentic and heartwarming meals. Avoid tourist traps. If a restaurant has an English menu and no locals inside, it's probably not the best choice. Let's learn English through food. Great food is a reason to travel, and learning English can make that experience even better. If you ever visit Italy, don't miss the chance to try these incredible dishes. They tell a story of tradition, craftsmanship, and passion. And remember, the more you explore, the more you learn. So keep improving your English and get ready for your next food adventure. See you in the next episode, where we'll explore France's legendary cuisine, including the famous coq au vin and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.